Hello everyone, this issue brings you the DTF new customer tutorial video. After you remove the outer packaging, check the appearance of the machine for any damage or damage to the goods. If there are no abnormalities, let's install the machine. Temporarily remove the 4 screws on the machine cover using a screwdriver. Install the drum support bracket on the machine cover and secure it with 4 screws. Place the scroll on the support frame, and rotate it to confirm correct installation. Install the film paper with a roller. Place the installed roll film paper on the support bracket. Use a screwdriver to lock the screws of the drum bracket. Now conducting a power-on test on the machine's performance. Please pay attention to whether the voltage on the label matches the actual voltage used before conducting the power-on test. Now let's install the paper output auxiliary platform of the machine. Please pay attention to the 2 reserved holes on the machine, which correspond to the upper paper output auxiliary platform. Feed PET film paper into the paper feeder. Please note that the front of the PET film paper is the printing side, and do not use the wrong non-printing side. Press the forward button to move the film into the printing area. This is the printer switch button. Press it once to start the printer. During the startup process, the machine will perform a self-check action. The ink cart will move left and right, and the switch button indicator light will flash. When the indicator light remains on, it indicates that the self-check has passed. After passing the self-check, press the paper button once to check the paper loading performance. The film will automatically advance for a certain period, indicating that the machine's operating performance is good. After the automatic paper feeding is completed, the green light is always on, which is correct. Important reminder, only after the machine and paper feeding inspection performance have passed can the operation of adding ink be carried out. Okay. You can see there's going to be a protective membrane here, and we're going to have to tear it. Screw the lid on again. You can see that the ink bottle with the motor is white. Please do not add mistakes. Now to extract the ink from the ink sac. Strictly extract 5 ml of ink from each of the 6 ink sacs. Hold the ink sac by the sides, not in the middle. The middle squeezes the ink out of the ink sac. Punch the extracted ink onto a disposable cup. Insert the ink sac into its original position. Take out a paper towel or clean cloth and wipe the needle. Alright, now we finished extracting the ink sac. Now go to the back of the machine to extract the waste ink tube. Remove 5 milliliters of waste ink from the waste ink tube. This step is done to allow the ink sac to enter the print head channel smoothly. Insert the waste ink tube back into its original position. Alright, now the ink extraction operation is complete. The next step is to install RIP software and printer driver. That's the end of this lecture. Bye.